Hi all. For our final project, we present to you an analysis on the recent coronavirus outbreak. On the screen, as you can see, is the visualization dashboard we have prepared for our project. Uh, we have divided our analysis on a month by month basis. So we have considered the months January to May of 2020, which is when this disease spread rapidly. Coming to the drop down, we see the drop down for the month. On selecting the third month, we are presented with a choropleth map. So this choropleth will be the main control for the entire visualization, which will drive this entire dashboard. On making a selection, let's say US, we are presented with a bar graph and a parallel coordinates. On hovering over the total cases, we can get the count for the patients infected with this disease, some of the statistics like median age, the population density, and also a total cases per million, which is quite low for the March month.
When we switch to a different country on the map, and let me select a different month for this. So if I select the month of May, which we know is when the disease was at its peak, and I select India, we can see that all the countries are listed of the continent in which India belongs to. So Asia is here, and we have all the countries. And the as the bar chart is displaying some of the demographics, we have tried to visualize it using a parallel coordinate chart. So you can see the location. Obviously, there are the total cases, the number of deaths, the population density, and the median age. Moving over, this is for each country. We have tied it to a continent, and we have tried to visualize all other countries belonging to that continent to see which continent was affected the most. Now if we move on to the donut chart, which is the fourth plot in our dashboard, this is a visualization for the top 10 countries which were severely affected by this pandemic. As you can see, United States is at a very high value for the number of deaths. The donut chart is mostly an overview for the number of deaths in the top 10 countries. When we hover on a particular country, we can see the demographics related to it, the population density, the median age of the people, those were affected, and the continent in which it lies. So the entire dashboard can be linked by country and continent. So this is how with this visualization, we hope to present the breakdown of the statistics on a monthly basis for the confirmed cases, the deaths, and the facts pertaining to the country under consideration when selected in the choropleth map. Hope you enjoyed the video and the visualization.
Thank you.
Thank you.